डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम द चैप्टर 1 द एवर इवॉल्विंग वर्ल्ड ऑफ साइंस क्लास 7 का ये टेस्ट सीरीज करते हैं। ठीक है, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मैच कॉलम 1 विथ कॉलम 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन कोड्स। द कॉलम 1 इज फोटोसिंथेसिस। तो फोटोसिंथेसिस का ऑप्शन थर्ड, द फूड मैन्युफैक्चर in plants. So A is matched with third. Water cycle in column 2 first. Evaporation and condensation, precipitation first. Metals. Metals are good conductor of electricity. Fourth is right. Flights of butterfly inspire real scientific explosion of flight of second. Now we have to check which of the following option is true. Uh, A का third, A का third, one A and B is second का B का first, B first. So right answer is our 1A. Now we have to move question number 2. What is the significance of studying eclipse? Option A, to predict the weather. Option B, to understand the solar system. C, to search life on Mars and Venus. D, to save the environment. The option B, right, to understand the solar system. Question number third. The match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given code. First, scientific evidence. Scientific evidence means content relevant to know. Data collected to support hypothetical. Second, scientific evolution, continuous development of new knowledge. B का fourth. Scientific query, asking question first. Scientific investigation, performing experiment third. Now we have to match our answers. A का second, B का फर्स्ट नो फॉल्स, A का सेकंड, B का फोर्थ सही है। तो राइट आंसर इज B. Third question, fourth, select the incorrect match. Chlorophyll photosynthesis, right? This one is right. Day and night, Earth's rotation, right? Transparent object, shadow, or different season revolution of Earth. Though answer which of the following is in match, incorrect match. So C is the answer. Now question number 5. The study of the given diagram. Battery is connected, the circuit is closed, and then bulb is glow. So in the above circuit, the bulb will glow first. When the circuit is open, no, जब circuit open होगा तो bulb glow नहीं करेगा. When the circuit is closed, हाँ, जब circuit close होगा तभी bulb glow करेगा. When the spoon is made of silver, हाँ, अगर ये good conductor of heat होगा यानी silver का है तो ये electricity pass करेगा. तो right answer is D, both B and C. Which are the following example of irreversible changes? Burning of paper. Burning of paper is not irreversible process. Sorry, burning of paper is example of reversible process. Cooking food is reversible process. Melting of ice is a physical changes and reversible changes. Rusting iron is reversible process. The answer is 1 second and third. 1 second and 1 second and third. C is correct answer. Which of the following is not a process related to water cycle? Option A, precipitation. B, evaporation. C, pigmentation. D, condensation. C, pigmentation is not the process of water cycle. Select the correct options regarding A to C in the given diagram. S is a sun, B is a moon, and C is the earth. The right answer is B, can be a moon, and C can be Earth. C is the right answer. Question number 9. Unscramble the letter in the given option and select the one that does not represent the name of the process that occur in humans. First is unscramble word, it means photosynthesis. Second is unscramble word respiration. Third is excretions. Fourth one is reproduction. Now, in human beings, only photosynthesis do not take place. The right answer is A, photosynthesis. Now read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Day and night are caused due to the rotation of Earth on its axis. True. ये statement सही है क्योंकि day and night occur due to rotation of the Earth. Statement 2. During a lunar eclipse, Earth is present between Sun and Moon. This statement is also true. Now we have go to the options. Option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are true, and statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. D, both statement 1 and 2 are false. So right answer is B, both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Question number 11. Arrange the following basic step of scientific method to sequence and select the correct option. A, make a hypothesis. B, design experiment. C, come up with a question. D, form conclusion. E, analyze the data. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, come up with a question. C is the first step here and here seen. Second, make a hypothesis. हम कुछ hypothesis बनाते हैं, तो C के बाद A, ठीक है. उसके बाद डिजाइन एक्सपेरिमेंट, उसका हम कुछ डिजाइन करेंगे. उसके बाद फिर एनालाइज द डाटा, उसके बाद हम एनालाइज करेंगे डाटा. और लास्ट डी, फॉर्म ए कंक्लूजन. तो राइट ऑप्शन इज डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Select the option and correctly fill the given blanks. Size and shape of the shadow depends on: first, size of the object. Second, distance between the object and the screen. And third, distance between the object and the source. तो तीनों आंसर जो है ऑप्शन सही है. तो आंसर क्या होगा? D, 1, 2 and 3rd. The given statements and select the correct options. Statement 1, water evaporates faster than when heated. Statement 2, heat gives energy to water molecules escape faster into the air. Option A, both statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. So right answer is both statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. A is the right answer. Question number 14. Select the correct statement from the following. Scientific theory are final and can never be changed. Scientific knowledge is constantly being upgraded. All new evidence in the science can replace the old ideas. So we have to find incorrect. The incorrect statement is scientific theory are final and can never be changed. A is the right answer. What kinds of change takes place when dough is cooked into a chapati? So option A, physical and reversible change. B. Chemical and irreversible change. C. Physical and irreversible change. D. Chemical and reversible change. Right answer is chemical and irreversible change. B.